This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Find us a Geostorm, man.
Find us a Geostorm.
Yeah, go over to the model and just do Geostorm.
Oh, okay. Prism, Storm, Spectrum.
Storm. Okay. Yeah, now we're talking.
Ooh.
Oh, is that an intercooler or an interfooler?
I think it's an intercooler. So we have a 1991 Geostorm from Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Oh, look at that hood vent, dog.
This thing looks pretty darn mean.
Yo.
Has 164,000 views.
What?
So yeah, this is it's like a good YouTube video. What is going on here? Looks like he did some turbo upgrades. Yeah, it looks like the housing. He has pictures of a housing for a turbo, which probably gives him a little better spool.
Is it a bent wastegate?
Listen, all wastegates are a little bent, you know,
Okay.
Depending on how you look at it.
Okay.
He has a triple gauge pod, of course.
Nice.
He has.
Oh, it's a side-mounted picture.
Yeah, side mounted picture. No, he has side mounted pillar. That's how it is. You can't get into your car.
Because he rolled it.
Yeah. So, all right, this looks like a car meet.
Okay,
there's an Isuzu.
Yeah, forget the Storm. That Impulse is sick.
Isuzu Impulse.
Those are so sick.
Those are rear-wheel drive as well.
Yeah.
So they're turbocharged rear-wheel drive, and they're actually not that expensive. But I don't know what the reliability is. Probably not good. We have the Geostorm right there.
We're off in like obscure car world right now.
Yes.
With both of these.
But everybody's off in obscure car world with us right now. So I'm having a great time.
Welcome to obscure car world.
So this is like this is the guys. This is the gang. And
we them boys.
Yeah. We them boys. Oh, whoa. Okay, so we have a Isuzu, we have a Mazda RX-7 FD, and then we have another, that's a Storm. And yeah, so I guess the RX-7 is the leader of the gang.
I guess he's
this
the
is
only
in
one that
2013, so I mean,
yeah, this is like one of those really sad like group of friends where like one person has a cool car and then everyone else like, I want a cool car too, and they went out like bought a Geostorm. Like,
I was in one of those.
oh, I was too.
And
absolutely, I had a.
Were you the one with a cool car?
No, I was the one with the 1996 Saturn SL2. Like I was that kid.
I had a Maxima. So
oh yeah.
But what's cool about this Storm for the people that are listening is it has this huge intercooler in the front.
Like so much so that the bottom half of the bumper has just been sawed off.
Yeah, well, I mean, the entire middle of the bumper has been taken off.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's no sort of crash damage at all, crash protection at all. Also, it has a nice little offset Viper scoop. I'm guessing that's to funnel small critters into the engine.
No, that's to suck in extra street cred.
Extra street cred. Got it. So he has a.
Oh, those welds though.
The welds. They're for
forget
like home welds.
Forget laying dimes. We're laying quarters out here, dog.
Yeah. So he has a. Well, here's the thing that manifold. We're looking at a turbo manifold right now. That's just looks like a log manifold. It's a.
It's hefty.
It's hefty. It looks like it looks cast. It's definitely cast iron, and he probably
took a wire wheel to it.
Yeah. So this has speedometer. It goes up to 140 miles an hour. That's a bit optimistic. Okay. All right. So we're done with this guy. Nice Geostorm. I'm sure it's plenty fast. I'm sure that thing is stupid fast.
I'm sure it's quick. Yeah.
But whoa.
Ooh.
I like this one. Do they all have that scoop?
I don't know.
All right, so this is Tibu Negro's
Poopity Scoop.
1991
Scoop-de whoop.
Scoopity whoop. Poopity scoop. 1991 Geostorm.
Poopty Scoopty.
And it Brave Storm 91, and he's in San Jose.
Brave Storm 91.
San Jose UN. What's UN? United Nations? That's not a country. I'm guessing it's San Jose, Puerto Rico, but I don't know. But yeah, take a look at this. This is also 2013. 2013 is basically when Cardomain was like a thing.
That's when it died.
Yeah.
Got that Arabuni looking kit.
We have girlfriend alert.
Kaminari looking.
Yeah. So
go. Oh yeah.
Oh yes, that's.
Oh man,
that's what I like.
Are those Eclipse wheels?
I don't know. Maybe. So what we're looking at is this purple Geostorm with a really kind of wild wing. And
looks like a Celica GTS wing.
Yes. Whoop. What happened?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
What you do?
Contact us. I'm not.
What you do?
Okay, we had a technical difficulty. I accidentally went to the contact us page. I'm just gonna use my my buttons here.
To be honest, that roof section with that rear like large B panel, it reminds me of the FB a lot.
Well, it kind of looks like a 911 Targa type thing. Like it has that separation.
Yeah.
This car does not look like a 911 Targa.
No. It looks like you should call 911.
Call 911. Hello, 911.
Oh, yo, look at those things.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. So we found
I guess they went to a car show.
Yeah.
You can tell these are really old pics because look at the camera quality.
Yes.
It's incredible.
It's 4x3 and no megapixels. So this is a
When were these
Civic.
posted? Go up.
These were posted in 2013.
What?
Yep.
The dude is just living in 2003.
No. Honestly, I don't think. I think he took the pictures probably in 2003. So
Yeah.
there's a Fast and Furious
Eclipse.
style Eclipse. It has the graphics and it's green and all that stuff.
Wrong wheels.
I doubt this is a movie car, but yeah,
No,
it
it's
has
got the wrong
the
wheels.
wrong wheels. But it has there's a NOS tent, and no, that's definitely not the Fast and Furious Eclipse. It has a different body kit. But,
Yeah, wrong kit.
But honestly, it doesn't look all that bad.
I hate it.
Okay, never mind. I was gonna compliment him. No, that's bad.
Oh, those wheels though.
Okay, this
throwback to the late 90s.
This is another Eclipse.
Yeah, boy.
With man, this guy just auto zoned out his Eclipse.
Look at that, but in the foreground, lower right hand corner, look at that pristine Toyota Echo, my guy.
Oh, that actually
that's fresh.
Actually, that's if it's not in America, that was a Yaris. So it was Yaris in other countries.
I think this might be America though.
You think so?
Yeah, well, maybe.
I don't know, man. Well, I don't know. I don't. It's
whatever, man.
Yeah,
it's whatever.
This is crazy. Okay, so let's look at something else. I think we can.
Let's think of one more kind of car make that could be just really would provide for us.
Hold on. Let's look at this one. It's 1990 Geostorm. Oh boy.
It's a turbo.
Yeah, it is very turbocharged.
Turbo Storm.
It is extremely turbocharged. So this is a white 1990 Geostorm.
Oh man, look at those.
Why do Geostorms not like having bumpers?
Yeah, but what's up with those AutoZone hood vents though?
That's so you can get
suck in twice the street cred. There's your answer. Oh, they're functional at least.
But they're not funneling air into anything.
Yeah, but look, he's cut holes in the hood, bro. They're functional.
Okay. And I'm not sure. Okay, we're looking at
some kind of manifold.
At an exhaust manifold, and I'm not sure that's the best flow.
It literally it looks like two fat macaronis stacked on each other. I got that fat mac manifold, dog. So yeah, I mean, it really looks like four ports going into one tiny one, and it would increase velocity, but man, that introduces some restriction. Okay, so his Geostorm 2006. That's his username. Got this red spray painted interior, dog.
Well, that's the best kind of spray paint. It has to be red. Wow. So honestly, I don't hate the Geostorm. Like, I don't like the red, but I don't hate the Geostorm interior.
It's very simple.
It actually looks pretty good. It has like this 300ZX type thing on the
gauge cluster.
Yeah, on the gauge cluster. It's really not that bad. And this is clean.
Yeah, it's tidy.
It's clean, but it has a blow off valve. Gretty Type R, I believe. Oh no, it's a Type RS. But yeah, he definitely makes some noise.
This is real like early 2000s Hot Boy stuff.
I love the placement of his intake.
Mm-hmm.
It's like directly on top of the engine and transmission. This is just getting hot air at all times.
Even when it's parked, because when the guy talks about it, it's probably all hot.
Oh yeah. That's just a bit of hot air.
It's a Geostorm type GSI with a turbo swap, and I got like 900 horsepower, faster than GTR, all-wheel drive swap.
Dude, that is not a.
Yeah, that manifold's terrifying.
That's a
awful.
real bad design.
That's
okay,
awful.